Hello, I'm Kyle Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports, here with my friend Jason Plummer from KLIM. We have something exciting for you that Chaparral Motorsports has been working with KLIM on for about 6 months now, and we're about ready to debut it. It is the 20th anniversary for KLIM, and what do we have for them, Jason?
Well, we've been working on a special build out here at Chaparral, and we're really excited about it. So we thought today we'd get together with Kyle and the team, and we're going to take you guys on a little sneak peek run through. If you haven't been in the store yet, you need to come check it out. Why don't you come on with us?
So Jason, on the way over to the off-road section, tell me a little bit how KLIM got started.
Yeah, okay, so I'd say the core of our off-road is focused around durability. We span everything from UTV to single track to race series like hare scrambles and dual sport, all that kind of stuff. So the core of what we do is building durability and functionality into the gear. A lot of articulation, a lot of mapping with different types of materials. Our jerseys have like 3 or 4 different types of materials for comfort mapping, durability mapping, those kind of things. And so paired to car pants, anybody knows KLIM, they last years and years and years. When you're out riding single track, you're constantly connecting with your environment, whether it's from falling or just hitting trees, rocks, shrubs, whatever it is, really active in that sense. Gear gets beat up a lot, so we make sure we make it durable.
So as far as the off-road gear, we have the XC Lite for the guy who's riding the motocross track. We then have the Dakar and the Mojave line for those of you down here in the Southern California desert who can't get away from the heat.
Off-road, 3 distinct lines like you mentioned. We got Dakar, Mojave, XC Lite. XC Lite, we have a women's kit as well. And we really focus on the XC Lite. That's our race kit. A lot of it's, hare scrambles, hard enduro, that kind of thing is where we put our focus, but it's applicable in all race situations.
Sweet. Now moving on over here, we have touring and adventure.
Touring and adventure are the main things that we do in street. So adventure, I think Badlands has been a huge success for us. Really encapsulated that world traveler, that tour on a big adventure bike, going long distances, maybe staying out for weeks, months, even years at a time. The core of what we do there, like the bubble it down to the basic recipe, is laminated Gore-Tex. One thing about KLIM is you're going to find in our whole line, we kind of do an a la carte system. It's all about layering. You wear the most appropriate pieces underneath, and you layer up according to what your needs are. So everything starts with laminated Gore-Tex.
It's pretty amazing. So I've been wearing KLIM for years, and it is really an amazing system. Basically, the core, like Jason's talking about, is you're waterproof on the exterior with lots of vents that you can open up, and if you need to be warm, you stack your layers, or if you need to be cool, you go with the negative 1.0, and that allows you to be able to cool the core of your body so you maintain comfortable throughout the ride.
Absolutely. Okay, let's keep walking around through. One thing I love about what you guys have here is a huge selection of our product line. And actually touring, we have a lot of product offerings in touring. So we go from everything from laminated Gore-Tex like we talked about and say Kodiak latitude, altitude sets, down to mesh jackets for everyday street riding, to even our new Marrakesh jacket, which is a 4-way stretch option for someone who rides in all kinds of weather from warm to cool.
Speaking of that Marrakesh jacket, I've been personally riding in that jacket for all of the summer months here in Southern California. It is literally like wearing leggings on the top of your person. Now, let's step on out and take a look at the full scope or the full range of what KLIM has to offer here at Chaparral.
From this vantage point, Kyle, I think you get a big scope of how big this area is in Chaparral. We're super excited. We have the bulk of our catalog represented on your floor, which is pretty rare.
As far as the catalog goes, we have helmets, we have gloves, we have jackets, we have pants, we have socks. We've got cooling layers, we've got warming layers.
Yep, we've got pretty much everything. In fact, we're walking by a bunch of our accessories right now. Gloves of all different types, touring, off-road, adventure, and on into socks and everything else to complete your kit. So if you come here, you're gonna pretty much find the whole kit that you need, which is really exciting. You guys got quite an offering here.
So the thing that I like most about KLIM gear is the fact that they don't skimp on anything. What do we need to create the best garment? And they'll go and source all the materials that they need in order to create literally the best garment in the marketplace. And whatever that costs is what it costs. And that's what people first balk at when they come and take a look at a product. They look at the price tag and like, oh my gosh. But once they learn about what went into that product, it's a game changer. The idea or the ideology of that price really shifts.
Yeah, so Kyle, I think you got it. What goes into the ingredients in a piece of apparel that we make is everything from our talented design and development teams, starting with taking the idea and really working it through, finding the materials, scouring the earth, making sure we're using the right materials, every one of those materials then has to be meticulously tested and validated for that product. And so there's lots of costs and things that are involved, but we truly believe that the customer, when they get the value out of that the price tag is something that will be long forgotten as the value of that piece continues to perform for them over and over and over, and that's what we've seen.
And that, Jason, is precisely why we love KLIM here at Chaparral Motorsports and why we built out this extensive KLIM section. Now, we're going to be debuting this section in early spring of 2020. When this full build out is finished, stay tuned because we're going to have some brand new products coming in that you're going to be excited about. I'm Kyle Bradge from Chaparral Motorsports. This is Jason Plummer from KLIM. Thank you for joining us on this quick little walkthrough of the KLIM build out at Chap. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.